Hello everybody, it's Brian for GadgetUnit.com, and in this video I'll be taking a look at the LAX Gadget's unique, real handmade natural wood wooden shockproof case for the iPhone 6. Currently you can get this for $19.98 from Amazon. I was unable to find this from LAX Gadget's website, but I would like to thank them for sending this over to me for review. As you may have noticed in the title of this video, I'm calling this a mini review. That's because I'm using a dummy iPhone 6 as opposed to a real one, because I don't have a real iPhone 6, I just have an iPhone 6 Plus. So I'm unable to test things like general usability, out and about, button feedback, because these are not simulating the actual button feel of a real device. So that's why I'm calling this a mini review. Let's take a quick look at the packaging. It's not too bad, pretty slim, not filled with things that you don't need to know. Unfortunately, for your $20, you're not getting any extras, so no screen protector, which is a little bit disappointing. I would expect a $20 case to include the basic things like that. So here is the case itself. The actual style is just a snap-on back shell with a wooden insert along the back. You can see that the top and the bottom are both exposed, so in terms of protection, you're just not going to get too much of that with this particular case. The overall thinness, it's pretty thin, I would say. So let's go ahead and start the installation, starting with the button side first. Then the other side just snaps into place like so. There's a very small lay on the table design. I'm not sure if a real iPhone 6 is a little bit thicker than the dummy or not, but for this particular situation, there's a very small amount of lay on the table. On the left side, we do have covered buttons for the volume up and down. Again, I'm unable to test the actual feedback that you get from these, but for the silent switch cutout, it is fairly sizable. You should be able to get into it with no problems. Again, the top is exposed, as is the bottom, so you have no issues accessing anything here. And on the right side, you do have a covered button for the the power sleep wake button. Unable to test the feedback there as well. And here is the back. I would say that this looks quite nice. It would have been nice if the entire case was made out of wood instead of just the back panel, but the actual design here does look quite nice. For the camera cutout, it's plenty large. I have no idea if this would have any flash issues, but I don't think that would be an issue anymore on today's newer devices. And that's about all there is to say about this device, or this case rather. I wish the price was a little bit lower. Otherwise, this is just a fine case if you're looking for something with a nice looking back design that's slim, that gives you the basic coverage aside from the top and bottom of the iPhone 6. And that's really all there is to say about this particular case. So if you have any comments, questions, or feedback about this or anything else, feel free to leave those down below in the comments area. But that's it with the video. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you all very soon.